4 brake quick tips for beginner mechanics. Number 1. Are you tired of your brake rotor flopping in the wind when you're trying to install caliper hardware? Well, just throw a lug nut back on there real quick. Even if it doesn't go all the way down, it'll still save a lot of time fighting it. Number 2. I've learned to compare these new anti-rattle springs with the old ones. Sometimes they just collapse when you depress them. These actually are in good shape, so I'm going to go ahead and use them. Number 3. Most of the time your calipers come with these shiny new bolts. Well, the old ones are actually a higher grade steel, and I recommend using them because they'll last a lot longer. Number 4. Always make sure the calipers are installed with the bleeder valve up. If they're on the bottom, it means we're on the wrong side or you have the wrong part, and they will never bleed. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.